Hello everyone, the power window in this Mazda 2 is not working, neither from the driver's door nor from the passenger door. After inspection, the window motor needs to be replaced, so let's go through this step by step. We will start by removing the cover on the armrest and undo the Phillips screw located underneath it. With a plastic trim tool, we remove the cover behind the door handle and release the Phillips screw that was hidden behind it. By the window, we got that plastic cover near the mirror. Pull it out so we can fully remove the door panel. And like any door panel removal, we will go around it and pull the door panel outward with moderate force. We just need to detach the door handle from the panel. We do this by pushing the handle to the side and outward. Pay attention to the triangular plastic tab that holds the handle in place. We want to move it slightly away from the panel so the handle can be pulled out. Now we have better access to work on the window motor. We will disconnect its connector and perform an initial test to check if there is even voltage reaching the motor. We will connect the two probes of the multimeter to the positive and negative terminals. And when the switch is in the on position and the button is pressed, voltage reaches the connector, so the problem is not with the power supply. We'll continue to remove 3 bolts with a 10mm head that holds the motor in place. We'll place an object between the window and the door so the window does not move from its position, and we'll pull the motor out. You can see the motor is fairly simple and connected with a plastic gear to the pulley that moves the window with a cable up or down. With the motor removed, an additional test leaves no room for doubt. It does not move. We'll do a comparison of new motor versus old, and we will start reassemble in reverse order. Now that the new motor is installed, let's do a test. Excellent! And now we will check that the motor responds from the driver's door as well. Excellent! And that the window lock is working properly? Excellent! If this video helped you, leave a like and a comment, and I appreciate it if you decide to subscribe to the channel. We'll put everything back in reverse order, and regarding the door panel, sometimes clips break during disassembly or remain stuck on the door side, so we will pull them out with a removal tool and reinstall the clip back into the inner part of the door panel. We will align the door panel in its correct position, and with a few convincing taps, we'll secure it to the door. And that's it for today. I see you next time.